Welcome. This is a simple tutorial on how to use Google Hangouts. Once you get to Google, you will see your Gmail, your image, the little search laboratory thing. Then you'll see the 9 dots. Once you click them 9 dots, you will scroll down. You will find the chat one. And that looks like this. You will click that. That will then take you to this page. And to add people, you will need to click New Chat. You will have an email address ready, which I do. I am going to click that, and I am going to add Lady D, and I am going to message Lady D, and I'm going to say, hey girl, hey girly, wiggle wiggle. So I've added Lady D. She will now then have to go into message requests. So click New Chat, go down to message requests. If anyone has added you, it will be in here. Get people's email addresses so everybody can stay in contact. I think it's going to be very good for everybody to stay in contact. And yeah, it's basic, simple tutorial. And then you will have all your messages with all your friends and everything down the side. And yeah. And I hope to see everybody again soon. I think this will be a good thing. So peace and love to everybody. And thank you for watching the tutorial.